Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'm going to discuss on HDW0 Android apps operated Wi-Fi single color asynchronous LED control card. You see, this is a W0 display control card, and this is P10 display. So you see, I have given here 5 volt, and here is two options, that is 12 into 1 and 12 into 2. Now I'm going to work with 12 into 1, and you see, this is the P10 display, as I'm using only one block. So I have to connect the connector here. You see here something written here, and same thing you will find here, but one thing new, that is here is indicating left side. When we will extend the display block, then we have to extend from right to left. So when we will extend display, that time we'll connect the connector with another display over here. So as I'm using only one display, so I have connected the connector here, and now the connector should connect here with 1 into 12. You see, something is displaying. So now enter in its app. That is LED art light. So we can change our text over here. I have written here my name, and it is okay. And here is an important thing, that is screen width. It should, as I'm using only one block, so it should 32 and 16. Its width should 32 and height should 16. So this is it, and you will find many options over here, how to animation effect speed, head and tail connection, and so on. And now find the device. Okay, on the Wi-Fi, you see the control card is showing, that is it. And put here the default password, that is 8 time 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That is it. You see, connected to the device. Now I'm going to back in the app. I'd like to display my name in the display board, and you see the card is showing here, and I'm going to send this text. Wi-Fi password is too simple. There is a risk of being maliciously tampered with. Please modify it in time. So I think I should reset the password, a new password, that is A B C 1 2 3 4 5 6. C D 3 4 5 6. Now it is connected, and this is This is my app and I'm sending it. Send success, and you see the display is showing now my name. And this is another display block, and I'm going to add this display block with this master display block. So for that I have to give here power, and I have to connect with this connector. So as I was telling that when I will extend display block, then I have to extend it from right to left. So I have to place this extended display here, and you see, for extended display I have to connect the connector in same side like the first one, and then I have to connect this with here the arrow was showing. You see the display is now showing. This is how you can use W0 display card with P10 display. I hope you like my video. Take care everybody. Allah Hafiz.